first we take consider of NOT gate. Suppose I want to design this NOT gate using multiplexer. Okay, and I'm taking 2 is to 1 multiplexer. So if I take 2 is to 1 multiplexer, I want NOT gate. Okay, so you already know that 2 is to 1 multiplexer, I have two input and one single output and one single select line. And if my select line is 0, I will get I0 at my output. If my select line is 1, okay, I will get I1 as my output. Okay, and NOT gate is nothing but NOT gate whenever I am giving A as my input. Okay, at the output side, I want A bar. Okay, this is my NOT gate. This you already know. So basically, you need to realize this NOT gate by using this 2 is to 1 multiplexer. Okay, so if I write the expression for this one, this is y equal to s0 bar into I0 plus s0 into I1. Okay, so by seeing this expression, you need to like think that what you will do so that at this place of y you will get a bar. Okay, and you need to give a somewhere here in the RHS side. Okay, so you can see that there is only one thing which is in complement form. Right? So if suppose you are giving s0 as a, okay, and this will be become s0 bar means a bar, and here the second term is I0, and if you are giving I0 as 1, okay, if you are doing in this way, means this whole thing will become a bar. Okay, and since this will become a into I1, so here you need to remove this term, so you are giving I1 as 0. So if you give all the things in this way, like if you substitute, this will become a bar dot 1 and this will become a dot 0. A dot 0 is 0, so basically at the end you will get a bar. Okay, means why you are getting a bar means if you give s0 as a, I0 as 1, I1 as 0, so this y will always become a bar, and the whole circuit will act like a NOT gate. Okay, so in this way you can realize that you can design a NOT gate. Let's come to one more gate, which is AND gate. Okay, now if I want to realize this AND gate with the same, that 2 is to 1 multiplexer. Okay, so I'm taking 2 is to 1 multiplexer again. This is 2 is to 1 multiplexer, one select line and two input, that is I0 and I1, one select line S0 and one output Y. Okay, now I need to realize that whether I can perform y equal to a dot b with this 2 is to 1 multiplexer or not. Okay, so if I want to realize this thing, okay, so first I need to write this expression of y. This expression of y is nothing but s0 bar into I0 plus s0 into I1. Okay, and you can realize that you want a b, and for doing this realization there is only one way, that if I take this one as a, okay, this one as b, okay, and this one as 0, then only I can realize this thing. Okay, then only my y will become a dot b. Okay, there is one more possible combination is there. If you take s0 as b, I1 as a, then also you will get this realized. Okay, so one way is like if you take this s0 as a, okay, I1 as b, and I0 as 0, then your y is a dot b. This is one way. Another way is like if you take this s0 as b, I1 as a, I0 as 0, then also y will be a dot b. Okay, so in these two ways you can like interpret your 2 is to 1 multiplexer as an AND gate. Okay, at the end you are getting y as a dot b. Let's take one more gate, which is OR gate. Okay, OR gate means you need to you want y equal to a plus b, and you are giving a and b only. Okay, let's come to 2 is to 1 multiplexer again. Okay, so this is your 2 is to 1 multiplexer, this is your I0 and I1, this is 2 is to 1 multiplexer, one select line, that is S0, and one output. Okay, and if you write your output in conventional way, that output is basically S0 bar into I0 plus S0 into I1. Now you need to change this expression to A plus B. Okay, so think in this way. So suppose for doing this operation, I'm taking here S0 equal to A. Okay, so this will be A dot I1. Now I need to take this I1 as 1. Okay, now it is A into A dot 1, that is A. Okay, now come to this second category. Okay, this second category, if I take this S0, sorry, I0 as B, and this S0 is already I have taken A. So if I take it in this way, my expression will be A bar B plus A dot 1. And this is nothing but A bar B plus A. Okay, and the same thing I can write in this way also, A bar plus sorry, B plus A. Okay, now A bar plus A is 1. So finally I am getting B plus A, and B plus A is nothing but A plus B. Okay, so in this way, like I can see that I am implementing 2:1 multiplexer as OR gate. So for representing as OR gate, S0 I have fixed to A, I1 I have fixed to 1, and I0 I have fixed to B. Right. Let's come to NAND gate. Okay, now we will design NAND gate using 2:1 multiplexer. So my NAND gate is nothing but I need to have A dot B whole bar at my output side. Okay, so come to your 2:1 multiplexer. This is my 2:1 multiplexer, one select line that is S0, two input line that is I0 and I1, one output line that is Y. Okay, now if I write my expression of Y in a conventional manner, that's S0 bar into I0 plus S0 into I1. Now you need to realize that how you can convert this whole thing to this one. Okay, so this is A dot B whole bar, and there is no whole bar also. And if you break this one also, like it will be A bar plus B bar. So basically you need to have A bar plus B bar. So if I take this plus as a common one, so I can implement this. If I am implementing A bar, I need to take something B bar here. Okay, if I am implementing B bar at this side, I need to take A bar at this side. Okay, so let's say I'm taking this S0 as A. Okay, so this will be A bar. Okay, so this is plus this plus, and this I0 I need to take 1. Okay, this I0 I need to take 1, and this S0 I'm taking A. Okay, and here if I write this side, this will be A. Okay, and this I1 I need to take some value so that I at the end I will get this A bar plus B bar. Okay, so I am taking this I1 as B bar because there is no other choice. Okay, so this will be A bar plus A dot B bar, and if I solve it further, this is what A bar plus A and A bar plus B bar. So A bar plus A is 1, and finally I will get A bar plus B bar. Okay, that is nothing but A dot B whole bar. Okay, so this is the first case where I am taking something as bar of any variable. Okay, so in this example, the first time I am taking something as a complement of any variable. Okay, means here I1 I am considering as B bar, S0 I am considering as A, I1 I0 I am considering as 1. Okay, in all previous cases you have seen that either you have taken these pins as A or B, but in this NAND case you have considered this bar B bar, and this B bar is nothing but a NOT gate. Okay, so if I ask you, or if somebody asks you how many 2:1 NAND multiplexer are required for implementation of a 2-bit NAND gate or two variable NAND gate, so your answer is 2, not 1. Okay, because one multiplexer, 1:1 multiplexer is this one, and 1:1 multiplexer is additionally required for conversion of B into B bar. Okay, this is not gate. Okay, so your answer will be you need 2 2:1 marks for designing of 2-input NAND gate. Okay, so this is the example for NAND gate. Let's go to another one more gate, which is NOR gate. Okay, so NOR gate is nothing but your output expression need to be complement of OR. Okay, so A plus B whole bar you need to design. Okay, let's take consideration of this 2:1 multiplexer again. So 2:1 multiplexer means here it is I0, here it is I1, output is Y, and one select line, and conventional expression is S0 bar into I0 plus S0 into I1. Okay, so this is your conventional expression, and you need to think like how you can change this expression into this expression, and this expression also you can break into A bar, A bar dot B bar. Okay, so basically you need to design A bar dot B bar. Okay, and if you see it carefully, you can do in like number of ways, but already like if you see that here it's my S0 bar, so if I take this S0 either as A or B, it will be much more convenient to design this A bar dot B bar. Okay, so let's say I'm taking this S0 as A. Okay, so this will be my A bar. Okay, this is my plus, this is my A. Now I need to play with I0 and I1. Okay, so let's say this I0 is like no, this I0, I need to select something. Okay, so here if I select like I0 equal to B bar, okay, so I can directly get this A bar dot B bar. Okay, but the thing is like here I need if I am writing here I1, and if I solve it further I can write the same expression as this one. Okay, so either you do in this way and realize that what should be I1 so that my final thing will be this, or either you can say that directly if you put this one as 0, the whole thing will be 0. Okay, and you will get this one. There is no other way, um, without taking complement, without taking any this I0 I1 as a complement of some variable. Okay, you for relation of this A bar dot B bar, this thing you need to take into consideration means you need to take consideration of bar of any one variable. Okay, so for this case what I'm doing is, for this case I'm taking S0 as A, and I'm taking this as I1 as 0. Okay, this I1 as 0, and this I0 I'm considering as B bar. Okay, and I'm getting Y equal to A bar dot B bar, which is nothing but A dot B whole, sorry, A plus B whole bar. Okay, means I'm getting NOR gate. But the thing is, like if the same question arises, well, like how many 2:1 multiplex are required for implementation of 2-input NOR gate, then your answer is not 1, your answer will be 2. Okay, because one 2:1 multiplexer you need to have for this operation, and one 2:1 multiplexer you need to take into consideration for conversion of your B into B bar. Okay, that's why you need two is to one multiplexer for implementation of 2-input NOR gate. Okay, so your answer will be 2, not 1. Okay, because in the first not operation, with the help of that first example, you will convert B into B bar, and that B bar you will use as I0. Okay, so like okay, we will take one two more gates, that is XOR gate and XNOR gate. So first come to XOR gate. So I told you like the expression of y for two input XOR gate is nothing but this. This is your symbol, and a bar b plus a b bar is your expression for your XOR. Okay, now come again to this 2 is to 1 multiplexer. So this is your 2 is to 1 multiplexer. This is your I0, this is your I1, and one select line, that is S0. Okay, and conventional expression you can write as S0 into I0 plus S0 into I1. Okay, now again you need to realize like what you can do so that this expression will be converted into this one. Okay, so one thing you can do, like you can take this S0 and take it as A. Okay, and just take this I0, take it as B. Okay, so here will be your A bar B plus this will be your A. Then you need to take this I1 as B bar. Simple. So this one is B bar. Okay, so means I0 you are considering as B, I1 as you are considering as B bar, R0 you are considering as A. That's very simple, and at your end you'll get A XOR B, that is A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, and again the same problem. Like if somebody asks you how many 2 is to 1 multiplexers are required for implementation of 2 input XOR gate, your answer need to be 2. Okay, 2 is the correct answer, not 1, because again see this implementation you need to have, that is compulsory. Okay, and this one is also like 2 is to 1 is required for this case also, B bar. Okay, let's go to XNOR case. XNOR. XNOR case is like you need to have a XNOR B, or you need to have AB plus A bar B bar at your output side. Okay, so basically you have 2 is to 1 multiplexer, one select line, and two input line, which is I0 and I1, that is S0 and Y0 output. Conventional expression will be S0 bar into I0 plus S0 into I1. Okay, now see this expression. Okay. So again you need to substitute some values here so that you can be able to realize this expression. So the first thing is S0 you can take as A, so you will be getting A bar. Now you need A bar dot B bar, so I0 you can consider as B bar. Simple. So that will be A bar dot B bar. Okay, then in this part you need A B. Okay, so already S0 you have considered A, so there is no problem with A. Now the thing will be very simple when you compare these two things. I1 is compulsorily you need to take B. Okay, so if you are dealing in this way, you will get A bar B bar dot AB, which is plus AB, which is nothing but A XNOR B. So what you need to do, you need to take S0 as A, I0 as B, and S0 as A, I0 as B bar, and I1 as B. Okay, so if you are taking in this manner, then you will be able to implement XNOR gate, two input XNOR gate. Okay, and if in the same way, if somebody asks you how many 2 is to 1 multiplexers are required, so your answer will be 2, one for this, and second is this. In this case, like whenever you have seen till now is 2 is to 1 multiplexer. So if you are designing NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate, you need one 2 is to 1 multiplexer. And if you are designing NAND, NOR, XOR, or XNOR, you need two 2 is to 1 multiplexer. Okay, so till now we have seen that we can use 2 is to 1 multiplexer as a universal multiplexer also. We can express, if we can express not and or NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR, we can express any expression. Okay, we can realize any expression with the help of 2 is to 1 multiplexer.